Let us honor and celebrate the fact that we're all here together, sharing the same space, breathing the same air, standing on the same ground, united by the same forces,
Is how I look at pressure now is pressure is just a privilege. If I'm actually in a high pressure moment, wow, how grateful I am.
If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. Perfect. I love
You know, stress right now really is the disease of our times. Pay attention to how food makes you feel. At times we've lost sight of this really beautiful and intuitive connection between how the food we're putting in our body makes us feel. And I think if we kind of tune into that, that's the best guide for eating well.
Connection is huge. We live in a city and we're around people all the time and we're as disconnected as ever. Right? We don't need that tension. If we're in tension, we are not paying attention. Let's be in pure attention right now of ourselves and others, all right? Let's have a little fun right now.
All right, so let's go back to movement. I am a big fan of basic movement patterns. So what would be a basic movement pattern? Shout them out. Push, press, throw, twist, rotate, squat. Yes? Gate? And human beings need to do exactly what we've been doing today. We need to connect, we need to care about each other, because those are the feelings that allow us to heal, that allow our stress to come down.
I think we waste a lot of time communicating ineffectively. So we think we have to be professional in the entrepreneur space or the coaching space or consulting space. So we spend a lot of time going like, I better be presentable and packaged.
When you create something and you put it out in the world and you invite other people into it, it is no longer yours. You know, it is like shaped by everybody that that experiences it.
If it feels right, you can place one palm or stack your hands over your chest and just anchor your presence in that space.
Being great is a way of showing gratitude. Being a great leader, being a sustainable leader is that showcase of gratitude to everything before us. Thank you to the contributors today and the speakers today to help bring this all together. It was an incredibly deep team experience. Thank you to Sweat and Tonic for hosting this space. This is a beautiful place. Thank you so much one last time.